Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathematics Seekers. Today we will solve very important example from a group. Mostly this example found in a past paper of commission tests and whenever test conducted, this question about to ask that the set of G with element real and complex number and order 4 under binary operation with respect to multiplication is a group or not. Let's prove the set of G under binary operation with respect to multiplication is a group. To prove the set of G under binary operation with respect to multiplication, we need to first form a Cayley table. This is a Cayley table for the set of G under binary operation with respect to multiplication. The purpose of Cayley table is to find out the all possible product of the element of the set, and with the help of a Cayley table we can easily find out whether set is closed under binary operation or not. Also proving associativity, existence of identity and existence of inverse of every single element in the set. In first property, as you can see, that is a closure property. In closure property, every two element in set of G being multiplied with each other gives a unique answer that also belong to the set of G. Whether you multiplied real number or complex number, the unique result belongs to the set of G. And if an algebraic structure satisfied closure property, then G is said to be a groupoid. Our next property is associative property. As you can see from the Cayley table, the element of the set G give the same answer no matter how we are grouped them. And when you add or multiply in associativity, you can group the numbers in any combination. Therefore, the set of G is satisfied associative property. Hence, an algebraic structure under binary operation with respect to multiplication is satisfied two properties, closure and associative, then it is said to be a semi-group. Now, next property is the existence of identity element for the set of G. In third property, if you multiplied an element with the identity element 1, the answer you get a same number. And in Cayley table, we have second row is the identity of that set in the same order as they are written in the top row. And when an algebraic structure satisfies three properties, closure, associative and identity, it is said to be a monoid. Fourth one is inverse property. In inverse property you can see that all element has inverses. 1 is the inverse of itself, minus 1 is inverse of minus 1, iota is inverse of minus iota, and minus iota is inverse of iota. And the result you get identity element 1. So in Cayley table we look for the element that gives identity 1 under multiplication. Hence, an algebraic structure under binary operation satisfies four properties, then it is said to be a group with respect to multiplication. Our last property is the commutative property. In commutative property, you can multiply in any order, you get a same result which belongs to the set of G. Hence, the set of G is a group, also a abelian group, because it satisfies commutative property. Now, second question is the set of G under binary operation with respect to addition is a group or not? What do you think, is a group or not? The answer is no. Set of G under binary operation with respect to addition is not a group. As you can see in Cayley table, if you add 1 plus 1, the answer you get 2. 2 does not belong to the set of G. Hence, the set of G is not a group under addition. So that's it. Thanks for watching.